What up guys, another Mercedes video. For this video, what I'm going to show you is what I did to change out my driver's side headlight housing and the Mercedes hood ornament. Okay, on this car, the hood ornament, as you can see right there, was snapped off. So all you need to do is, after you get the new one, well, first of all, to take the old one out, see these two flanges? You have to squeeze these, twist left, and pull up through the hole here. And you're gonna pull this out. And then it's the opposite to get the new one in. You're gonna line up the tabs in the hole, turn right, and it locks into place. Pretty simple. For the headlight housing, you're going to need an 8mm socket on a little ratchet, probably is best. And all you got to do is, what I did was take this out right here, and then you'll be able to pull out this piece of metal, bend it out carefully, pull this down, pull that 8mm nut off. You're going to take off your wiper blade temporarily, and then you're going to pop this flange, like just pop that up, pop this one up, and then to get this side marker out, you're gonna have to reach back here, and there's a little tab that you have to pop. It's down, see if I can reach it, down over here. You pop this tab and this comes out, and then it gives you room to pull this housing out and replace it, because this one was faded big time, so I replaced it. And all you have to do is pull that out, put the new one, line it up. You have to line up the holes on the side, make sure it lines up before you press it in, make sure the tops snap here, lock in, and then after that you're gonna re-bolt down this piece of metal. There's a nut in here that's an 8mm also. You're gonna bolt that down first, line it up, then you put your amber housing, and you just have to slide it in until it clicks. That's when you know it's locked in. And then you put your housing, make sure everything's locked up, looking good, and that's really it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. I highly recommend it. And of course the hood ornament looks great too. It hasn't had one on in years, so it's a little upgrade for her. And that's really it guys. More videos, stay tuned.